Hi, friends. Today you are going to take an exciting erudition test. Will you be able to answer 20 questions from different spheres: science, history, art, and even nature? Let's see who of you is a real polymath. Turn on logic, remember everything you know, and forward to new knowledge and interesting discoveries. And to not miss such cool challenges, subscribe to our channel. Let's go! In what year were the Olympic Games held in Moscow? In 1990, in 1980, in 1976, in 1984. The Olympic Games in Moscow took place in 1980. These games were the 22nd Summer Olympics and the first to be held in Eastern Europe. The Soviet Union was chosen to host the Games, and the event was the biggest sporting event of the time. New records were set during the Games, including the number of participants and participating countries. Which metal is the lightest metal? Aluminium, magnesium, lithium, titanium. Lithium is the lightest metal in nature, with a density of only 0.534 grams per cc, lighter than water. Which seafarers were the first to see the shores of Australia? Spanish, Russian, Dutch, English. In 1606, Dutch navigator Willem Janssen was the first European to land on the Australian continent. What is the monetary unit in Albania? Franc, lek, dinar, euro. Lek is the national currency of Albania. Introduced into circulation in 1926, the lek is used in the country for all financial transactions and is the only official means of payment. Which of these scientists formulated the theory of relativity? Nikola Tesla, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, Charles Darwin. Albert Einstein formulated in 1905 the special theory of relativity, and in 1915 the general theory of relativity. How many continents are there on planet Earth? 5 continents, 6 continents, 7 continents, 8 continents. There are 6 continents on planet Earth: Africa, Antarctica, Eurasia, North America, South America, and Australia. Which of these artists painted Starry Night? Pablo Picasso, Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci. Starry Night is a famous painting painted by Dutch artist Vincent van Gogh in 1889. It is one of his most recognizable works, known for its vivid colors and unique style. Which of the following cities is the capital of Italy? Rome, Milan, Florence, Naples. Rome is the capital of Italy, located on the banks of the Tiber River. It is one of the oldest cities in the world, with a rich history of over 2,000 years. Rome is known for its architectural masterpieces such as the Colosseum, Pantheon, Forum of Rome and Vatican City, as well as its cultural heritage including museums, art galleries and ancient ruins. Which fruit is considered the most popular fruit in the world? Apple, banana, orange, pear. Banana is considered to be the most popular fruit in the world. It is one of the most widely consumed fruits because of its pleasant taste, nutritional properties and ease of consumption. Which ocean is the largest by area? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean by area. It covers a huge part of the Earth's surface, stretching from Asia and Australia to the Americas. The Pacific Ocean is also known for its deep waters and variety of marine life. Which bird of the Casuariiformes is the largest bird in Australia? Ostrich, cockatoo, casio, emu. The emu is the largest bird of the Casuariiform order found in Australia. It reaches a height of up to 1.9 meters and weighs up to 45 kilograms. Emu have the ability to run long distances and can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Which philosopher said "I think, therefore I exist"? Plato, Aristotle, René Descartes, Socrates. René Descartes expressed the philosophical concept of "I think, therefore I exist." This famous statement became the foundation of his philosophical system. Descartes concluded that doubt about existence can be rejected because the very act of doubt confirms one's existence as a thinking subject. This position has become one of the key elements of modern Western philosophy, emphasizing the role of consciousness and reason in the process of cognition. How many states are there in the United States? 48 states, 50 states, 52 states, 49 states. There are many theories as to why there are 50 states in the United States. One of the most common theories has to do with the adoption of the state of Hawaii in 1959. According to this theory, the 50 states were chosen as a symbolic gesture of keeping the balance between North and South, as Hawaii is located in the Pacific Ocean, far from the mainland. In which constellation is Polaris located? Big Dipper, Pegasus, Little Dipper, Andromeda. Polaris is in the constellation of the Little Dipper. It is a bright star that is known for its special position near the Earth's North Pole. Since ancient times, it has been used for navigation as it points northward. The Little Dipper consists of several prominent stars that form a distinctive shape that is easily recognizable in the night sky. Which of the following planets has no natural satellites? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Neptune. Venus is the only planet in the solar system that has no natural satellites. Who was the first man in space? Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, Alexei Leonov. Yuri Gagarin's flight into space lasted only 108 minutes, but this feat made him a national and international hero and a symbol of success for Soviet cosmonautics. Which of these countries is not a member of the United Nations? Germany, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Austria. Liechtenstein is a small principality located in the Alps. It is a member of the United Nations organization. Which of these languages is not a Romance language? French, Spanish, German, Italian. The Romance languages are a group of languages and dialects belonging to the Italian branch of the Indo-European language family and genetically traced back to a common ancestor, Latin. The name Romance comes from the Latin word Romanus, Roman. German is not a member of the Romance languages. What do you get when you divide the sine of an angle by its cosine? Tangent, cotangent, cosine, sine. When you divide the sine of an angle by its cosine, you get the tangent of that angle. How is philosophy translated from the Greek? Love of wisdom, self-awareness, morality, understanding life. Philosophy translates from the Greek as love of wisdom. The term combines the study of the basic principles of existence, knowledge, values, and moral principles. Philosophy seeks to understand fundamental questions about life, the world, and human existence through rational discussion and analysis. Here's the finish line. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge. Was it hot? To not miss new cool tests and facts, click subscribe. There are many more interesting things to come.